P, Q, R and S are 4 towns. One can travel between P and Q along 3 direct paths. Between Q and S, 4 direct paths, and between P and R along 4 direct paths. There is no direct path between P and S. While there are few direct paths between Q and R and between R and S, okay, one can travel from P to S either via Q or via R or via Q followed by R respectively in exactly 62 possible ways. One can also travel from Q to R either directly or via P or via S in exactly 27 possible way. Then the number of direct paths between Q and R is, okay. So basically we have a town P, okay, and between P and Q there are 3 direct paths, okay. So between Q and P there are 3 direct paths, let us say 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 direct paths between P and Q, okay. Between Q and S there are 4 direct paths, okay. So there is a town S here, okay. Between Q and S there are 4 direct paths, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there are 4 direct paths, okay. Between P and R again there are 4 direct paths, okay. So there is a town R here. Between P and R there are 4 direct paths, 2, 3 and 4. So between P and R there are 4 direct paths. There is no direct path between P and S, okay, while there are few direct paths between Q and R, okay. So between Q and R, so between Q and R there are few number of paths, let us say there are x number of paths, okay. So we do not know how many, let us say some x number of paths are there, between Q and R there are x number of paths, okay. Now, so between there are few direct paths between Q and R and between R and S. Achha, between R and S again there are some direct paths, let us say there are y number of paths between R and S, right, okay. Now, one can travel from P to S via Q. So P to S we can go by Q, P to S. One can travel from P to S via Q, so we can go by Q, or via R we can go by R, okay, or via Q followed by R. So we can go from Q to R and then we can go R to S, right, Y like this, okay. One can travel from Q to R, we can go either directly, Q to R directly, okay. We can travel from Q to R directly or via P or via S in exactly 27 ways. You have to find the number of direct paths between Q and R. So we have to find the value of x. Now, we are given that from P to S, okay, P to S we can go in 62 possible way. Let us see P to S we can, how many ways we can go. P to S we can travel via Q, okay. So P to S, so P to Q 3 ways and again Q to S there are 4 ways. So we can go from P to S via Q like this, P to Q then Q to S, 3 into 4, 12 ways, plus we can also go like P to Q then Q to R and then R to S. So P to Q, that is 3 ways, there are 3 ways, okay, here 3 ways and here x, so 3 into x till R, and again here there are y ways, right. So P to Q 3 ways, q to r x number of ways to p to r 3 into x and again r to s y. So, it will be 3 into x into y, right, okay, plus we can also go via r, right. So, p to r 4 ways 4 into y, so into 4y, p to r 4 ways again r to s y, so it is 4 into y, right. So, this is given as 62, okay, and we can travel from q to r either directly or via p or via s in 27 ways. So, q to r, let us call it equation number 1. I mean, so or we can simplify, we can say 3xy plus 4y equal to 62 minus 12, this is 50. Let us call it equation number 1. Second one, we can travel from q to r directly or via p or via s in 77 way, q to r, right, q to r. So, q to r we can go, I mean we can go directly in x way via p. So, q to p 3 ways and p to r 4. So, 3 into 4 12 ways plus q to r via s, there is 4 way and into y ways. So, it will be 4 y ways, right, okay, and this is equal to, okay, this will be 4 into y 4 y, this will be how many 27 ways, right, equation number 2, okay. Now, so or let us simplify equation number 2. So, let us simplify it. So, this is x plus 4y is equal to 27 minus 12 15. Let us call it equation number 2, right. You have to find the value of x, right, okay, you have to find the value of x. So, what we can do is here we can take y common, right, okay. So, from the 1 we can take y common. So, if I take y common, 3x plus 4, sorry 3x plus 4 . So, 3x plus, I am taking y common, 3x plus 4 times y is equal to 50, right, equals to 50, and x plus 4y is, now here 4y is 15 minus x, right. I am multiplying both sides by 4. So, I can write 3x plus 4 into 4y is equal to 200. I multiplied both sides by 4, okay, so that I can replace 4y by 15 minus x, right. So, this will be 3x plus 4 and this 4y I can write it from here, 4y we can write 15 minus x. So, this is 15 minus x, okay, and that it will be 200, right. Now, we can open the bracket and solve, right. So, I will just solve it, I will just erase this. So, I will just solve this equation, right. You have to find the value of x. So, I am writing it here, right. So, let us multiply. So, 3x into minus x is minus 3x square, it is minus 3x square, okay. Now, then it will be 45x plus 45x plus 45x minus 4x and this will plus 60 and this is equal to 200, right. So, basically this is minus 3x square, 45 minus 4x is plus 41x, and let's bring 200 this side. So 60 minus 200 is minus 140 equal to 0. Let's multiply both sides by minus 1. So it will be 3x square minus 41x plus 140 equals to 0. Okay. Now let's get the two number 3 into 140. See, this is plus and plus, so positive. So we can say 3 into 140, which is 3 into 7 into 20. So we can take 21 and 20. 21 and 20 is 41x, right? So we can write it as 3x square minus 21x minus 20x plus 140 is equals to 0. So here 3x is common, x minus 7 minus 20 is common, x minus 7 equals to 0. So x minus 7 into 3x minus 20 is 0. So x is either 7 or 20 by 3. Okay, but x is the number of path. It was number of path between q and r, right? So x cannot be, number of path cannot be 20 by 3. It cannot be in fraction, right? So x is 7, right? So answer is number of paths between q and r is 7. Okay, I hope this is clear.